We can get a quick overview of the current state of the system. We can see the status of our devices, the number and usage of prepared content, uploaded assets and data sources. The number of online and offline devices can be easily viewed per site. By clicking on the diagrams, we can quickly search for the desired values. In the lower section, we can see the history of the number of online devices in the last 1, 7, and 30 days. We can filter this information per site. Datas in this menu are not updated automatically by default. We can do this manually with the Update button in the middle, or by setting the automatic update.